let's see. So the other way to deal with like a plugin issue, let's say you're having a plugin that's crashing your site and you can't even log in to the website. Let's say it's just totally down. If you are hosted on cPanel, which most of you guys, if you're working with small businesses or shared hosting, managed VPS, we find typically WordPress sites are set up on a cPanel hosting. So what you're going to do, you can do it through, you can log into cPanel through your hosting company, but you can also just go, if you're like working on someone else's website, typically the easiest way is to go in through the domain here. So yourdomain.com or whatever it is, /cpanel. And this will take us to their hosting. And so now you can log in here. So once you log in, you're going to have access to your admin dashboard here. And what you want to do is figure out, like, we're doing it this way because we can't actually log in to the WordPress side. So we need to deactivate the plugin that's causing the problem. So let's go find that. What we're going to do is go to Files, and you're going to click on File Manager. And this is going to take us to, this is all the files that are, this is your website here. So we need to go to content, so WP-content. And if it's not here, you can search it up here. You can find it. You can also do it by the file structure, if you know. And then we're going to go to plugins. And let's say that, what plugin is causing a problem. Let's say it's this plugin here. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click, and then you're just going to give it an ending like dot whatever. I do BAK. Okay, and then you're going to hit enter. And what it does is it changes the file, the name of this plugin. So let's say .bak here. So it changes this, and what it does is it basically makes it so that your WordPress site can't access that plugin anymore. It's been deactivated. And then you can check your website. So it's been deactivated. So what you can do is go back to your website now, and if your site is up, you know that it was probably that plugin that was causing the problem. And you can go back to the wp-login.php, and you can log in, to the site and go to your admin dashboard, and we can go directly to that plugin by clicking on the left-hand side here, the plugins, and you go find that plugin, and it should be now deactivated, and you can delete it and get rid of it. I do recommend always making a backup before you update anything or before you delete anything. It's quick. You can use a plugin like Updraft Plus or something like that, and I'll do a video that walks you through how to make an update. So, so that's the way to fix it on the back end. I don't recommend deleting it in here. I recommend testing it in here to make sure that you can, that it actually is the issue before deleting it, and then go and do it the typical way of deleting it in the back end of the WordPress.